Tesla are opening a brand new service centre soon in Reading. I discovered this a month ago after an interaction with Tesla support on the app, where they allocated a job to this service centre, even though the building was still under construction. This site is located just off the M4 at Junction 11. This is the building, and this is how it looked on the 24th of June. It's Unit P1, Reading International Logistics Park, Basingstoke Road, RG2 6AA. The planning applications show it's going to be a service centre, body shop, delivery hub, and have a small 2-car showroom for existing customers already visiting the service centre. I don't know when it's opening, but I would assume late summer. The existing Tesla site is just 2 miles up the road and used to be a service centre, but has since changed to a used vehicle preparation centre, plus has a large showroom. Indications are that they'll be keeping this site. The new service centre doesn't have a showroom for new customers and has limited parking, so simply can't absorb the number of vehicles they have here. Earlier this year was a planning application shared online to show that Tesla were opening a service centre in Theale, which is only 5.5 miles away. But that obviously didn't materialise, and this is now the new location. At the same time, there was also a plan or rumours of a new supercharger site in Theale, but the location just seemed unsuitable. While close to the M4, it was down a dead-end road, and I'm sure the residents of Theale village wouldn't have welcomed the extra traffic. But anyway, both of these Theale projects seem to have died. I'm sure this new Reading service centre will be welcomed, as Berkshire, Oxfordshire and Wiltshire is a bit of a service centre black spot, since they changed both the original Reading service centre and the new Bicester service centre into used vehicle preparation centres. If you'd like to learn more about this new Reading service centre, I've put the links to the planning application in the description below. I hope you found this useful. Do add your comments, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the Super Thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.